My name's Sabrina Fiorellino. I'm the CEO of Fero International. We're a volumetric modular builder located in Stoney Creek, Ontario. Fero builds buildings. Essentially, we're an industrialized construction company where traditional builders build on site. We build in our factory. We build for healthcare, for educational, for residential, for industrial, and for commercial sectors, meaning that we can build anything from a hospital to a life science lab, to a school, to a multi-story housing building or an office complex. We came to Stoney Creek because we did an acquisition a year ago, September of last year, and we bought an existing modular contractor in the area. We love being in Stoney Creek for so many reasons. The labor pool around the area is fantastic. We have a lot of really good transportation routes. I have the ability to take the 407 to get here every day, a really long drive. And also the community has been really helpful for us, both in Stoney Creek and in Hamilton. They really rallied around us, and so we're so happy to be part of this ecosystem. We also source a lot of our materials and subcontractors from the area, which is also important to us. For us, winning this award is so important for so many reasons. We are so grateful and humbled to be getting this award. We're new here, and so it was so surprising for us to get it so early on. But also the importance of winning an award as a female-run business. So we're majority female at the executive level, majority female at our board level, and we have 30% of our labor that's direct female in industrialized construction, which is a really high number. The average is around 5%. For us, it's really important to be winning an award in a non-traditional female space as a majority female-run company. My message to everyone else is a message that I have on my desk, and it's a saying by Walt Disney, who is himself a successful entrepreneur, where, I mean, some people love Disney, some don't, but he had some very wise words and built an empire like no other. One of his sayings is, if you can dream it, you can do it. And so I would say follow your dreams and work hard and get it done, because you can. Fero has a 300,000 square foot manufacturing plant. It is the single biggest modular plant under one roof in Canada, which means we can build a lot of buildings, and we're ready to build and have capacity to build. Where we see ourselves going is being the biggest modular company in the world. We want to grow, we want to expand, and we want to get better. We can produce a lot of units every day, but we know that we can get better, and we want to get down to, producing units every 30 minutes, every hour, rather than, 12 a day. And that's what we're aiming towards.